How do you work from home in an efficient and successful manner?
Hey, wake up! Wake up!
All requests aboard. Request backup.
No need to work. Check email, do proposal, call customer.
Oh.
Faster. Check email, do proposal, call customer.
A few moments later.
Toilet break. Hey, time's over.
Boss, case closed.
Good job. Time's up. I'll be back.
Hi everyone, it's me again Max. Today I'll be sharing on tips on how to manage time and tasks. For those who watching this video, I'm sure that you have think of one questions before. Everyone have 24 hours. Why there is others that more successful than we are?
Success means different things to different people.
With this, I would like to introduce a rules called the 20-80 rules. Identify the 20% critical tasks that able to drive 80% impact. As a start, look at your job description. What will be the key result area in your positions?
20% of the input creates 80% of the results.
Identify 3 of them. Ensure you work this exercise out with your superior so that the expectations are met. I believe that with those tips, it will help you when you work from home and manage your time and tasks effectively. Please like, comment, and share our video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.